Did you know that an SMS is read within 90 seconds for 90% of the receivers? SMS is a good, efficient way to communicate with your debtors to inform them about their invoices and their debts. With the add-on SMS notification, you can send SMSs automatically from Clever. The SMS action is set up in the flow. The SMS can contain plain text with information about the debts, or a link to the customer web where they have more information about the debts or the outstanding amount and payments option, etc. The receiver opens the SMS and click the link to the customer web and see more information about the debt and their invoices. With the Swish add-on, they can pay the debts from the customer web, smart, safe and simple. With the add-on SMS notification, you can save money on postage and communicate efficiently with your customers. That's a win-win for you and your customers.